Hi, Namrata. Welcome to India Today. How are you doing?
Very good. How are you
Uh,
doing?
Has your have you left your phone aside, or you're just scrolling through all the good reviews that's coming in and social media posts about the show?
Yeah, guilty as charged. Yeah, I've been ghosting into my phone.
Yes, yes.
I
But
think
I'll
that,
ask you a basic. Yeah, go ahead. What were you saying?
no, no, same. Tell me.
Yes, I'll ask you like what is your like fondest memory of growing up watching Salim Javed films? Like which is that one film that kind of left an impact? Tell me more about your memories of Salim Javed while growing up.
I remember the first time I saw Sholay. It was on Doordarshan. I think it came out in 1994 on Republic Day. So it was the most exciting for me. I'd never seen anything like that before. I was 13 or 14 or something like that, and it was just great. And similarly for Sita Geeta, somehow I love that film. I mean, and as a kid, I used to keep watching it. I used to love the character of Geeta and her shenanigans that she can climb up on a fan and, just beat up people like that. I mean, it was very aspirational for me. I wanted to be like Geeta. So I used to love it. Then even the other films like Shan, it had so many interesting things. It had dogs. So while growing up, all these things are so attractive and so much fun. So
Absolutely.
yeah, Diwar was one film I had not seen, which I
Oh,
saw only as an adult. I mean, once I went to film school and all. तो बचपन में नहीं
right.
देखी थी.
Yes. And tell me, of course, we read about how the docu-series was like 800 hours of footage. Tell me, what is that one moment that kind of stayed with you or your favorite moment from the series? Of course, 800 is too much, but anything that you remember?
So दो तीन चीजें मुझे like even at the shoot, I mean things touch you while you're talking or while it's going on. तो जैसे have you seen the series?
Yes, yes. I,
So, the way it ends when Javed Sab reads that prose from Krishan Chandar, where he says, कि तुमने अपनी जिंदगी में क्या किया? I remember when we were shooting that and he read it, and I felt so touched. And I knew that this is the end of the series. तो वो हमने काफी पहले शूट किया था पर मुझे तब से पता था कि एंड तो इसी से करना है मुझे. सो ऐसी कई चीजें हुई कई जगह पे लाइक इवन जब हम सलीम साहब से उनके मॉम के बारे में बात कर रहे थे मदर के बारे में तो वो ऐसे मतलब इतने वेल अप हो गए इतना एक इमोशनल मोमेंट हो गया तो मुझे वो भी पता था कि दिस इज समथिंग आई वांट टू बिल्ड ऑन.
yeah.
And so I first shot with Salim sir on that sequence, and then I similarly asked Javed Saab about his mom, and even that was very very emotional. So वो धीरे धीरे ऐसे करके बना मतलब I shot with them over 3 years many times. मतलब 7 8 बार दोनों के साथ मैंने शूट किया अलग अलग मतलब after a few months. So I mean it started revealing itself
Yeah.
धीरे. क्योंकि पहले मैं पूरा प्लान बनाकर तो लेके गई थी कि ये शूट करना है ये सवाल पूछना है ये एनेक्डोट के बारे में पूछना है बट धीरे धीरे एज आई वाज शूटिंग आई आल्सो रियलाइज दैट more than the anecdotes and just more than the trivia and information, them as people is very interesting. They're very interesting characters as artists, as fathers, as people who, like dream big,
Yeah.
and they're very inspiring. So all those things were discoveries on the way.
Absolutely. Absolutely. And Ananda, tell me, has your experience as an editor kind of helped you make this? Because you also had somewhere in your mind when I'm sure editing the entire footage, कि ये रखना है, ये नहीं रखना है. How did that help you?
Of course, it helps. I mean, I think it always helps to direct if you know editing. I mean, no doubt about it. And here I had the very, very able support of my editor, Geeta Singh. She's great. And she
Yeah.
helped me on the days where I could not be objective. मतलब whole day you shoot and you think, अरे क्या बात मैंने क्या shoot किया है. And then you see it on the edit and you're like, हाँ अच्छा तो है लेकिन हमारी story में fit नहीं हो रहा है.
Hmm.
You have to remove it, which happened to a lot of things. I wanted to
Yeah.
keep it 3 episodes, like the 3 act structure of a screenplay. So I knew that there will be only 3 episodes, and
Oh.
yeah, the act one, act two, act three, sort of.
Yeah.
And उसमें फिट करने के लिए जो सब भी बहुत अच्छी चीजें भी थी बहुत अमेजिंग फनी एनेक्डोट्स थे वो हमें निकालने पड़े वी हैड टू किल अ लॉट ऑफ आवर डार्लिंग्स.
Absolutely.
But yeah, I mean, thankfully, I've been an editor for long, so I have killed a lot of other people's darlings. So this time it was my my.
Yes, and tell me, of course, Zoya had spoken about how did you come on board, but what were your initial feelings when, of course, this is a huge challenge to tell a story that's such a huge legacy for filmmakers, for I think every cinema lovers. Tell me, what were your thoughts going in your mind when you came on board?
Matlab, of course, the biggest anxiety I had was to do justice to their filmography, their legacy, and their huge personalities. You know, I
Yeah.
mean, they're big energy people. They're big energy characters. So ये था कि हाँ ये मतलब ये potential में होना चाहिए. And उसके लिए of course कई sacrifices करने पड़ते हैं in the sense that I mean I decided that I'm not going to go into every film.
Hmm.
पहले वो आइडिया नहीं था, पहले था कि हर फिल्म के बारे में बात हो, पर फिर ये लग रहा था कि वो फिर इट बिकम्स अ बिट meandering.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I thought I will stick to their life and the big events that happened in their lives. And जो उसमें जो फिल्में आती हैं वो हम यूज करेंगे. Like I knew that this whole idea of the mother was a very big deal. So
Hmm.
I wanted to cover the films that had the mother angle, you know, so Diwar, Trishul, Shakti, and we went into that section. Of course, not in detail in Trishul and Shakti, though I love those films. I really love it, love them. But वो उतना हम डिटेल में नहीं जा पाए. But I think Diwar kind of makes you understand what is.
Yeah.
तो ऐसे choices थे कि अच्छा कौन सी फिल्म नहीं, लाइक काला पत्थर ऑल्सो, आई लव काला
Yeah,
पत्थर. वो
absolutely.
फिल्म मैं कितनी भी बार देख सकती हूँ, और ये थोड़ी लंबी फिल्म है फिर भी मुझे बहुत पसंद है. एंड एवरी सिंगल कैरेक्टर देयर आर सो मेनी ग्रेट लाइंस. बट वही था कि मतलब एक हमारी जो नैरेटिव से थोड़ा भी हट रहा था तो उसको हमने सोचा कि ओके
Hmm.
we'll have to sacrifice it in the
Yeah.
interest of the story.
Absolutely.
Story is
And
the
Namrata,
first.
of course, they are the people who have been always open about their life. They're bold in their choices, in their words. But while you were making this, was there anything that they said, "Ki, let's not touch upon this or let's focus on this"? Did that happen?
Not at all, you know, not at all. I
Yeah.
mean, people have been asking me कि was there censorship at the,
Hmm.
but ऐसा बिल्कुल हुआ नहीं. Like मुझे खुद ये था कि ये लोग मतलब ऐसा बोलेंगे क्या? Those apprehensions were there.
Of course.
In fact, I told Zoya also right in the beginning कि मतलब my only reservation would be कि I want to get into, you know, what all went wrong in their life
Hmm.
and what they didn't do right also. So, and she was totally on board and so were these two because they feel कि एक इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी के लिए सारी चीजें सारे रस होने चाहिए. इट कांट ओनली बी कि हाँ ये बहुत अच्छे थे,
Absolutely.
इसमें और रस भी होने चाहिए. सो आई वाज क्वाइट क्लियर एंड एवरीबडी सपोर्टेड मी, दे गेव मी सो मच स्पेस. आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल फॉर दैट.
Yeah, but I was just reading a couple of reviews. A lot of people felt that maybe the side that they did not have a very strong woman characters was not as explored. I think Anjum only had a statement about it. And of course, that plagiarism was also not included. It wasn't like explored well. Was that also a conscious thought, or you just wanted it to be a fleeting thought while making that?
I mean, that thought, I wanted the thought to be there.
Mm.
And whether it is the women thing, whether it is a plagiarism thing, Abhi, I don't know what you mean by exploring it further. That what did other people think about it, और क्या
Yeah.
क्या उन्होंने सीन कहाँ कहाँ से उठाए.
Mm.
बट वही था कि कितना लंबा सेक्शन बनाए उसके बारे में. मतलब ये आप थोड़ा सा देख के देन ऑफ कोर्स पीपल कैन डू देयर ओन रिसर्च बिकॉज दे,
Yeah.
ये प्लेजरिज्म की भी बात है, इसके बहुत डिटेल्ड अकाउंट्स इंटरनेट पे अवेलेबल हैं. तो
Mm.
मैंने सोचा जैसे अभी एक गार्डन ऑफ ईविल का एक शॉट आता है ऐसे ही कि बहुत सारी वेस्टर्न से उन्होंने उठाया हुआ है, गुड बैड अगली, सर्जियो लियोन की फिल्म्स
Mm.
जो इंस्पायर किया है. मतलब एज दे से दैट दे
Yes.
यूज्ड टू गेट इंस्पायर्ड एंड देन दे यूज्ड टू मेक इट देयर ओन.
Own.
मतलब वो उसको
Yeah.
इंडियनाइज करते थे क्योंकि आप शोले को देख के किसी फिल्म को ये नहीं बोल सकते कि ये एग्जैक्टली exactly वही है, पर वो
Mhm.
इंस्पायर तो होते थे. अब कितनी फिल्मों के बारे में बताएं कि ये सीन यहाँ से, ये सीन यहाँ से, ऑलरेडी मुझे वो एपिसोड लगता है कि थोड़ा सा लंबा है, वट एवर है. तो इसीलिए मुझे लगा आई टच अपॉन इट एंड
Yeah.
people are very free to go and read up about it, etc. Even the
Hmm.
women thing, for me it's a very interesting thing and I had a lot more interesting anecdotes. Like I was telling somebody that we discuss Sita or Geeta a lot because even though I love the film, as I loved it as a child, when I watched it as an adult, I was a bit taken aback that जब गीता सीता बन के आती है तो उसकी मेन क्या है एम्बिशन कि वो भी सीता की तरह खाना बनाए, वो भी
हाँ,
सीता की तरह कपड़े बुने, तो मैंने उनसे पूछा कि ये सब क्या है, तो उन्होंने कहा कि हमें तब पता ही नहीं था। हमें लगता था कि शायद औरतें ऐसे सोचा करती हैं, और अब हमको वी नो मच बेटर, एंड नाउ आई हैव अ डॉटर हु विल ऑलवेज टेल मी व्हाट शी थिंक्स, एंड इट इज नॉट दिस। Another scene in Sita और गीता is that गीता gets slapped अपने ही सपने में। वो जब संजीव कुमार को कन्फेस करती है कि मैं एक्चुअली गीता हूँ, मैं सीता नहीं हूँ, तो उसको थप्पड़ पड़ता है, मतलब अपने ही सपने में उसको थप्पड़ पड़ रहे हैं। तो वो भी मुझे बड़ा अजीब लगता था। बट द थिंग इज कि ये सब रखें, तो जो जावेद साहब शुरू में बोल रहे हैं कि वो एडमिट ही कर रहे हैं कि हमारी औरतें, मतलब हमने कभी औरतों के बारे में सोचा नहीं और लिखा नहीं, बट दे वर स्टिल स्ट्रॉन्ग वुमेन।
हम्म,
It's just repetitive, like
या
when you put it into the edit, it feels like एक ही point बार बार बोल
बार
रहे हैं
बार,
अलग अलग scenes को लेके। So that was something that does not interest me.
या
So that is why. So
ट्रू,
it's a diving board, and I hope
हम्म,
that when people see this, they go and do their own reading or research and see that yes, it was there, and it was there in a lot of films. That's why
absolutely,
I took the example of Trishul and what Anjum says that she's only singing songs because that kind of epitomizes it.
yes.
But if I had three more people saying the same thing, I don't know how much it would have added to that section. I
Hmm.
don't know.
Fair enough. Fair enough.
That was the point.
Also, Salman, of course, says that he is the most nervous in this interview. Of course, he's given so many in his life. Tell me how difficult was to get all the kids to open up, or were they like all gung ho from the word go?
I mean, of course, it's not easy to talk about your family dynamics.
Yeah.
Even you and I won't be able to do it, even when our parents are not celebrities, or I don't know about you, mine are
Mm.
not. So it was just time spent with them, I think that helped in opening up,
Yeah.
and just getting to know them and them getting to know me, and knowing that my intention is not to just sensationalize or
Mm.
कि ये देखिए ऐसा है, मेरा वो नहीं था intention. I wanted to have a human lens on it, and I
Yeah.
think once they knew that, they were happy to talk.
Yeah. Who was the toughest to get top, like to open up for you?
um ऐसे मतलब ऐसा कुछ तो नहीं है कि ओपन अप, मतलब इन पर्टिकुलर सेक्शंस आई वुड से कि वो सबके साथ ही होता है कि अगर मैं
Mm.
आपसे कुछ पूछूं, आपको सीधा जवाब नहीं देना है, तो देन आई हैव टू आस्क इट डिफरेंटली, और
Yeah.
यू डू इट ऑल द टाइम सो you have to get this answer out, बस वो
Yes.
है, but that's a very human thing, so I won't say कि कोई एक जन ऐसा था जिसके साथ ऐसा हुआ. I mean, I think the bigger challenge was shooting during the pandemic, because I was also shooting with older people. So distancing,
Absolutely.
mask पहनना, पूरा पूरा दिन मास्क लगा के रखना, and इतना डिस्टेंस रखो, ये सब तो वो सारी चीजें
Mm.
ज्यादा टफ थी. How to break the ice, when you're so far away from somebody.
Absolutely.
So those kind of things were the bigger challenges for me. But I feel that if you are talking to people with good intentions and with a certain humanity, eventually they are okay to talk because they also
Yeah.
have signed up for it, right? So they're okay.
Absolutely. Yeah. And I just loved Hani Rani in the series, the way she honestly opens up about their arrogance or be it their marriage. Tell me about your experience meeting her and getting her to say all those things.
She's such a refreshing person, and it was, we chatted, we met a few times before, and we chatted about what all we can discuss. And, I told her that I want to know about her time with Javed Saab and that time
Mm,
because she was the witness to it all. So
absolutely.
at those 10 years, they were together. I mean, they were married and they also had their kids. And so, I mean, she got it and she was very game. Yeah, she's
But
very
yeah.
game. Very, very
But
game.
did she have her apprehensions about talking about how their marriage broke apart?
No.
Wow.
Not at all. I think distance and time that has passed also does that.
Fast. True.
Now they're
Yeah.
friends, so that also helps, as she says. there were many interesting things that she told us. Like Javed Saab had quite a few accidents with his
Yeah,
car.
I think she mentioned that.
तो पहले होता था, फिर हमको निकालना पड़ा। तो उनके मतलब उनको सबसे बड़ी यही थी कि हर थोड़े दिन में गाड़ी खराब हो जाती है और एक्सीडेंट हो जाता है। मैं उस बात से तंग आ चुकी थी, बट somehow that was not fitting into our narrative, so it went
Right.
out, but she mentions it, yeah, so
Yeah, yeah. And why didn't Salma Khan speak up? Like, oh, why was she missing from the interviews?
एक्चुअली बिकॉज जब शुरू में हम शूट कर रहे थे तो थोड़ा पैंडेमिक था, एंड वो इतने इंटरव्यूज देती नहीं है।
Hmm.
तो ऐसे मतलब इट डिड वर्क, इट डिडंट हैपन।
Yeah. And there's this burning question that everyone still has, that why did they break apart Salim Javed? That question still remains a question. Tell me about it, Namrata.
I think the answers are there. You know, I mean, as Javed Saab says that in the beginning, he says that he didn't feel like an equal. फिर उसके बाद वो बोलते हैं कि उनके काम में थकान आ गई थी,
Hmm.
और they were not doing such great work. बहुत
Yeah.
सारे फेलियर्स भी उन्होंने मतलब देखे, और प्रोड्यूसर्स भी नहीं आ रहे थे। सो आई थिंक दोज आर द बिगर थिंग्स दैट
Hmm.
हैपेंड। अब ये जो बात है, सब मुझसे पूछ रहे हैं कि उस दिन क्या हुआ था। मतलब आई डोंट नो, लाइक आफ्टर 50 years डज इट हाउ इंटरेस्टिंग इज इट? दे वर इन देयर 30s and 40s, और अब वो मतलब ऑलमोस्ट 80 और ऑलमोस्ट 90 हो चुके हैं।
Yeah.
मतलब पता नहीं, मुझे खुद ही वो इंटरेस्ट नहीं करता है शायद। एज
Hmm.
फॉर मी द बिगर इशू इज व्हाट इंटरेस्ट्स मी।
Yeah.
आई डोंट नो लोगों को क्यों वो इतना इंटरेस्ट लगता है। आई थिंक हमको रियलिटी टीवी देखने की
Of
बड़ी आदत
course.
होती है
Voyeurism sells, huh? Yeah.
कि अच्छा उसने क्या बोला था, फिर किसने क्या बोला, पहले किसने किसको झगड़ा किया, एंड ऑल दैट। But even if you read all the clips, the newspaper clips from that time which we have, the reasons are not, मतलब वो सारी speculations ही हैं कि इसने ऐसा
Hmm.
किया, इसने
True.
वो डलवा दी, उसने वो कर दिया। And both of them also feel that those things are not important anymore. So much time has passed, उनके बच्चे इतने बड़े हो गए हैं, अभी अभी क्या वो लेके बैठेंगे? मतलब it just
True.
doesn't sound graceful.
I know. I think I'm more excited about them coming back together, like how Javed Saab mentioned on the trailer launch. Like that would be a bigger story for me.
Absolutely. We are all rooting for it. कि
Yeah.
जल्दी करो.
Also tell me, Namrata, of course, because we interact with so many people from the industry, we know how movies impact our lives. But when you were interacting with people, laymen, and they are talking about their love for cinema and the love for Salim Javed, how did that feel for you?
It was great. It used to give me goosebumps. That
Yeah.
people know Salim Javed, who were just writers. They were not actors. They were not big shot directors. फिर भी उनको लोग जानते हैं। मैं मतलब मेरे तो कभी कभी आंसू आ जाते थे कि वाओ, दिस इज रीच, दिस इज पेनिट्रेशन एक्चुअली। कि हम इंदौर में शूट किया, अलीगढ़ में, और मतलब वी वेंट टू दिल्ली, वी शॉट इन प्लेसेस, लखनऊ, जहाँ पे उन लोगों का, जहाँ पे वो
Mhm.
where they were brought up and all that. People knew them. It was amazing. It was really amazing. And
Yeah.
people talk about those films, और अगर उनको मतलब एग्जैक्टली नहीं पता है उन्होंने क्या क्या किया है, फिर भी बहुत कुछ पता है। जैसे जब मिस्टर बच्चन का रेट्रोस्पेक्टिव हो रहा था यहाँ पर, उनके 80th बर्थडे पे बॉम्बे में रेट्रोस्पेक्टिव रखा गया उनकी बड़ी फिल्मों का,
Mhm.
जैसे डॉन, ये सारी दिखाई गई। I mean, the kind of cues to watch those films, it was just so amazing. So good.
Absolutely.
Matlab, I was so touched. कि how universal are these films, and how much they have survived, and how much they've influenced our culture and how we see films. So that
Mhm.
is amazing. Even the
Yeah.
younger people loved on. And
True.
मुझे कहीं पे यही था कि through this series, I want the younger generation to get introduced to their work, to
Mhm.
them as people, as personalities, कि ये cool लोग थे, और कहीं से आए, कुछ था नहीं इनका मतलब फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में नाता, बट फिर भी आए, उन्होंने इतना सब काम किया, स्टार्स बने, and they did it on their own terms. I think
Yeah.
it's a good story across ages. So that is what I
Absolutely.
wanted to focus on.
Yeah, yeah. And everyone watching the series, of course, one thing that really impacted me was the kind of humor that both of them have. Like, it was amazing. Tell me, Namrata, about your interactions with them and one thing that kind of stayed with you after the shoot.
दे आर सो फनी। हम इतना हंसते हैं ना, और मैं उनको बोलती थी कि नहीं, अभी अभी जोक नहीं करेंगे, अभी सीरियस बात करेंगे। बट ऐसा होता नहीं था, एंड देयर वर सो मेनी फनी थिंग्स दैट वी कुड नॉट यूज, व्हिच रियली ब्रोक माय हार्ट। लाइक यू नो, देयर इज दिस वेरी फनी स्टोरी ऑफ, देयर इज अ सीन इन शोले वेयर जय गोज टू मौसी टू से कि बसंती की शादी वीरू से करा दो, यू नो दैट
Right.
सीन you've seen Sholay. So that actually happened in their life, that when Javed Saab was getting married to Honey, he got cold feet and he said कि सलीम साहब को बोला कि आप जाके ना मेरी शादी तोड़वा दो। एंड फिर वो गए पेरीन ईरानी के पास, जो हनी की मॉम थी,
Hmm.
एंड उनको बोला कि अरे इससे मत करवाओ शादी, ये बहुत ऐसे दारू पीता है। तो उन्होंने कहा अरे वो तो मैं भी पीती हूँ। उन्होंने कहा ये बहुत जुआ खेलता है, तो पत्ते खेलता रहता है। उन्होंने कहा वो तो मुझे भी बहुत पसंद है, ऐसे करके, पर फ्लॉप हो गया उनका और उनकी शादी हो गई। फिर उन्होंने वही सीन शोले में यूज किया। तो
Wow.
या सो ऐसी सारी बहुत एनेक्डोट्स हैं उनकी,
Yeah.
कि कैसे हाउ दे केम अबाउट, यू नो कि वो बोलते हैं कि गब्बर सिंह ने ना, एक डाकू था उनके इंदौर के पास, जो जिसका नाम गब्बर सिंह था, और वो लोगों को पकड़ता था, फिर उनकी नाक काट देता था।
Hmm.
तो पहले गब्बर सिंह ऐसा था, फिर सलीम सर का ये आइडिया आया कि नहीं, नाक काटना इतना सिनेमैटिक नहीं है, हम हाथ काट देते हैं। तो देन यू नो, सो ऐसी सारी चीजें, हाउ दीज थिंग्स केम अबाउट।
Right.
ऐसी बहुत सारी चीजें थी जो हम नहीं रख पाए, इन द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ नैरेटिव एंड इन द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ स्टिकिंग टू देयर स्टोरी।
Hmm. I think you should release another BTS
हाँ, आई नो,
series with all the uncut version.
everybody tells me that there's so much fun stuff, and maybe, yeah, I mean,
Yeah. And Namrata, of course, it's a docu-series. Their story, like, it's so cinematic also. Like, you can imagine that to be a screenplay in a whole. Did you discuss it with them that they should also have a biopic someday, maybe?
हाँ, हम लोग ये बात करते रहते हैं कि क्या डॉक्यू बेटर है या फिक्शन बेटर है। उनको कई लोगों ने अप्रोच भी किया है कि हम आपकी लाइफ पे फिल्म बनाना चाहते हैं। पर मुझे पर्सनली लगता है कि उनकी फिल्म में उनकी पर्सनालिटी दिखना बहुत जरूरी था, क्योंकि वो
हाँ,
फनी है, वो ऐसे हैं कि अरे, मतलब कूल डूड टाइप है ना वो दोनों। सो वो पर्सनालिटी दिखना बहुत जरूरी था। तो कोई एक्टर उन्हें प्ले करे, ऑफ कोर्स इट्स ग्रेट, बट
yeah.
उनको एक बार ही देखना जरूरी था।
I think Farhan and Salman would actually suit the part.
ये सजेशन काफी आया है।
Yeah,
हाँ, वो ही है।
absolutely. I think Arbaz also looks so much like Salim Saab. I think he could also
हाँ,
be
वो भी आया है कि फरहान और अरबाज को लेके भी बना सकते हैं। हाँ, वो
true.
उनसे पूछना पड़ेगा if they want to।
Lastly, Namrata, tell me, of course, we started out by speaking about how great the reviews are and everyone's talking about, but what's the family's reaction when they saw the series? What did they tell you?
They loved it, actually. I was very nervous, you know, because there are things about them, and everybody's, especially in the third episode, they speak very openly about their marriages and how they failed at things. And but they were so sporting and they were quite happy, because I think it worked emotionally. It works emotionally for you, then I think you go with the ride, you know. So they were
Absolutely.
great. The screenings were great. They were best for me. I was so relieved.
Amazing. And are you going to continue wearing this director's hat, or you plan to go back to your scissors and edit films again?
No, I want to keep wearing this hat and not let go of it.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Namrata, and amazing work. And I hope to see soon a big film from you.
Thank you.
Thank
Lovely
you.
talking to you, Sana.
Same here. Bye bye.